how are we going to get that which comes from you? They're going to say to you, how are we going to get there? When are we going to get there? And what are we going to get out of it? Because you have been ordained to be the answer to those questions that's been in their hearts for centuries. Manna is something that can only be released from heaven. Manna is something that can only come from by the grace of God. Manna is something that can only be released from heaven into the lives of those who overcame the previous season. Are you with me, guys? The season of stagnation, the season of no movement, the season of religion. So I believe that what I need to release over this church and over my life and over this nation of South Africa is that we are going to bring manna from heaven. The hidden manna that was not seen in the previous season, in the body of the Lord Jesus Christ, will now be revealed. And we will be traveling in the nations. And as we speak, your very presence in that nation will make people say, we hear what you say, we taste what you say. How are you going to take us to that same position?